to 141.
Go ahead.
Are you in town?
40 to 1401. Go ahead.
Can you sit there at the Burger Boy and shut down eastbound traffic right there so nobody gets up this way?
10-4, I will. Forwarding to narrow command. I've got eastbound blocked. Do you have anybody else coming down that needs to come the wrong direction? Or can I release this?
I know.
Yeah, but this time I'm unknown. Okay.
One. Here at Hollywood Place Road. Down to the power line.
1408, 1405. Go ahead. Hey, we're coming down with 8, and Jason is bringing his unit to go to Rich Street to help set up the LZ. Do y'all need us for anything else? Currently trying to extricate patient 2. Go ahead and set the LZ.
I'll take 2. Giles, 1409.
Go ahead, John.
1409, are they coming at the speed flow on its top, or is it coming for an additional vehicle?
62, we need to go down to get to Rich Street. John, beat that traffic.
1409, is the wrecker coming after on its top, or are they coming after a separate vehicle?
We just need one from Rich Street to come get the one on its top, so Medic 2 can proceed through once we get a patient extracted.
10-4, Giles to Medic 2. Lifeguard declined due to weather.